Today's Monday, November 16th, 2020, and this is Physician Owners Weekly. Today, we'll talk about why the heck we're traveling in the middle of a pandemic. Hey guys, my name's Colin Hart, and I'm here with my colleague, Mark Flynn. You're probably looking at this video wondering why we're traveling and in a rental car. Again, we sell real estate, and there's really no replacement for seeing that real estate and the bricks and mortar in person. Same goes for meeting our clients in person and really getting a better understanding of their objectives. So while COVID is, continuing in the United States, we're taking all the precautions necessary to continue to serve our clients, and that includes getting COVID tested prior to leaving and then upon our arrival home. But at the end of the day, we're able to best serve our clients by seeing their property in person, meeting them, learning more about what their goals are so that we can best help them achieve those. So on we go, and we're headed to the airport now. Thanks again for watching, and see you next week.